Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy, and I just want to welcome you all, guys. Today, I'll be making aerial yoga regarding the details of whatever the sleeping postures and relaxing postures in aerial yoga. I'll going to show you guys. So, as you can see, I have hanged this to hook. It's an anchor hook, which is there in normally we used to have for the fan. So I took out the fan, and in that place, I put my carabiners, that is also called as D-shackles. So they are used for the hanging purpose. I'll tell you how to rig that. It's very easy process. Before to that, there are few poses in it where we can relax after a great workout. So this is a hammock whole set. In this we got silk, carabiners and swings. But in house we can't use the swings, which are of no use because the height of the roof will be maximum time 9 to 12 feet. So as you can see, this hammock is like you can normally you can place up to the hip level, but it is little bit lower in my home. No worry, we can make it higher also. The lower also no problem. So before that, what exactly the sleeping postures? We know the common sleeping posture is that is for the children. They used to sleep. We called it as shavasana. So shavasana or corpse pose. So this is very easy, and you should know how to correct this. As you can see, there are furls in it. So these furls are not to be there. So you have to correct this in such a manner. It will be very easy for us to do it. So you can do some stretches, and you can do some swells like this. So with which the whole whatever the furls are there, it will go away, and don't directly sit on the edge of this. Take little bit. You can just hold. You can just take for the strengthening purpose, because the more it is, the strengther it will be. So you can just take somewhat and then sit on it with a relaxed manner. Believe that you have to believe the hammock that it will not fall. So here you will find like this. Then be comfortable to sleep, and you have to sleep in such a manner. Then your legs, with the leg help, you can take the grip, and you can sleep like this as a corpse pose. Normally we don't sleep with the stretching hands. If you want, you can directly take out this hands, and you can directly place your hands in crisscross manner, and you can see this hands like crisscross manner. And if you want, you can place a pillow also for your own comfort. So normally whenever I feel like exhausted, normally we get exhausted, so we relax in a uh, shavasana. There is one more. Normally we are always upwards, so I want to relax for some time. So you can just take this hammock under your hips, so you can just stretch backwards if you want to sleep for some time, or if you want to take some rest. So we know always will be our head will be up. Spondylitis problem is there. Whoever has got the spondylitis one, they can directly sleep head downwards for some time, and then you can place the pillow in between. You can sleep properly as a shavasana. So I understand maybe the discomfort, maybe initially you have a problem in it, but no worry, slow and steady, you will love this. Now the second pose, there is one more what we can do is, if you don't like this, if you want something different, there is one more posture. Just sit on your as a dandasana posture. So I hope you guys are aware of all those asanas and names. So after sitting dandasana, you have to just take this hammock in such a manner over your head. So get your hammock under your legs. So once you get here, the maximum you get under your legs like this. So now you are in the pose of second posture for the. This is something you don't need a pillow also, so you can directly sleep like this. So you can place your legs crisscross. So this is the second one, which I feel like more comfortable. You don't need any kind of pillow also. But if you want pillow, you can place pillow. But in this case, you do not need to have the pillow. Your head always little bit higher only. So you can cross your hands or you can place your hands downwards, whatever the comfortable position you feel like. This silk can sustain more than, there are silk which can sustain more than 450 kgs. Don't worry about your 80 or 90 kgs. I am 75 kgs, so it can sustain very easily. So something we have different, we call it as cocoon pose, which is another relaxing pose. So in this, it's very easy. So in this cocoon pose, what happens is you just take this hammock, you just step inside. Now you just see where exactly this half of this you can directly sit on it. So you can place like this. So you can sit as per your convenience. So this is something called cocoon pose. And how exactly it can be done? So you just sit on it. You just take out your legs like this. So now I want you guys to spread in such a manner with which it will be very easy for you guys. So these two legs, so I'll just turn this side, it will be very easy for you guys. So here, turn from this side, sit on this side. You already had shown you how you have to take your back and then just sit on your hips. Automatically this silk will come. Now I want you guys to spread in such a manner. It's easy for you to sit like this. Normally in cocoon pose, what happens is we call it as Baddhasana or Baddha Konasana. So it's a butterfly posture. So here you can directly sit on it. So the hammock is, you have to spread your hammock in such a manner. You have to sit inside the hammock. So here, from here, so just so place your legs in such a manner. It will be easy for you. From now, you place one leg this side, another leg this side. There is a fall. See, if the fall is happening, you can't sit properly. So because of this fall only, you have to take out this. Further, you can sit. Just sit. Place your legs in such a manner. Now it is okay. There is no fall. So normally it's a cocoon. Posture will be like this. So you'll just place your knees inside the hammock. So you can see. So this is Baddha Konasana. Normally we call it as butterfly pose. As you can see, this is not an easy pose. Whoever has got the stretching problem, for the people with different, so this is something called butterfly pose or cocoon pose. Now I want you guys to place your legs inside like this. So you place the legs inside like this. So the both the legs are inside. So you can take relax. You can just rest. So if you want something like these legs are to be locked, so you can directly place these legs inside the another hammock. So with which it will get locked. So if you want, you can just sit and take relax. So this is the third pose of relaxing position. From now, if you want to have, like people they want to have a watch a movie. So in that case, what you have to do is, so meditation can be done in various ways. I'll tell you in future videos. So you can just hang out. You can just play play some velcro over here, or you can just tie this, and you can watch the movies with the relaxing pose also if you want to relax for some time. But let me tell you, sitting in hammock is something healing. That is the reason why the children are very happy and they sleep in such a manner they don't disturb. They will teach everything to us. So hammock is the one which has been used for the from the since ancestral origin, and we should adapt it in our life. So obviously, after these many years, why I have chosen is there is some science behind this. The way you relax in it, literally, I'm telling you will take power nap. That is for sure. So whenever you do any huge exercise, have a good food, and then just sleep. That power nap will help you a lot. And I'll be making videos related to hammock and stretch how exactly the ball can be used, exercise ball. So I'll show you maximum aerial related videos, how exactly we can fall from the aerial yoga. If you think that, sir, I want to know, online it's a full of confusion. Which hammock is better, and how can I join your instructions in your classes? For offline in Bangalore, if you want, you can come directly, person to person. You can take the guidelines of minimal 2 to 3 hours of session and go back. During weekends, I'll have classes. So whoever is interested, they can directly call me on 7667 30252. I stay in Bangalore, Yalanka. So I'm ready to help you guys, and I want you guys to follow me and like me if you like this video. And let me tell you, this is the best one. Why I have chosen at this stage is there is a reason behind it. You have a great flexibility from this, and you can learn a lot of things you can do. Your hand stretch will be more, and your strength will be more in shoulders. So all on mat is different, on aerial is different, and on exercise ball is different. So be ready for exercise ball. As you can see, I have exercise ball also. So here normally we can place yoga mat. Whenever I do some exercises, I'll let you know. And we have a lot of things to do with the exercise ball also. Be in touch and be happy. Smile always. There is no place for the problems. So be happy and live life king size. Have a good day. Have a great life. For doubts, please contact me. Feel free. You have a like button. I want you guys to like it. I want you guys to share it if you think that this is the information content. You can see my books also. I have done a lot of efforts. Go through my playlist. Have a good day. Have a great life.